Hey traders, hey to my subscribers, hey to my COT Academy fam, hey to my millionaire and my billionaire colleagues. Hope you guys had a wonderful month of May. Hope you guys had a wonderful month of June. And I still pray that you end this month of June in a great way and that you prepare yourselves this weekend so you can enter the month of July in a much more greater way. Hope you guys have had a wonderful trading week and hope you guys are just preparing yourselves for the coming week. That's your boy Harlem, King COT, and we back with another video. So today, guys, gonna be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I think it's from the first up and until the fourth or fifth. I'm just not sure. But before we get any further with the video, make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the link to sign up with the broker that I highly recommend and broker that I use. Or if you want to watch my day in the live vlogs, you can still do that. Or if you want to be part of the COT Academy so mentorship courses, you can still do that. We've left our links, we've left our number, and we've left all communication tools that you can use so you can get in touch with us. All you have to do is you just DM, text, or just call us and let COT Academy do the rest from there. But without further ado, guys, let me share this wonderful gems so you can have a wonderful weekend and so I can also have a great weekend, right? So first things first, we'll forever start off on the NAS, right? So the NAS, guys, you guys remember that price created this higher low, right? And then came back to the very same zone, trying to create some type of support, and then came back again for confirmation of our intraday support zone, right? So now that price to end the week tried pushing up once we had a reaction on our support, but unfortunately pushed it down. And once you see this push, we had the spike touching our support, right? So for the coming week, all we're gonna be looking for, or our trade idea for the coming week will be very much simple, right? If price breaks below this very same support, then that case was just have to continue moving to the downside because we might have had a violation of our support zone, right? But if price stays above this very same support zone, then that case would have to be bullish above our support zone. Do you guys get that? This is not tricky, this is not hard, and this is very much simple. This will be the simplest setups that we might be looking for. If we get a violation to the downside, we'll simply continue moving bearish, moving using sales or doing sales or going with sales. But if price stays above the support, then I guess we'd have to move bullish, right? Take buys and look for buys and do buys for the week. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, let's go to the second pair. So gold might be same as the NAS, right? Because once prices has had a reaction of a support, price created this high, right? And then it came back to the very same high and then did what? And then had a violation of our high, moving to the upside. But unfortunately, having this break below and this retest below, right? And having another reaction, and again giving us a reaction to end the week. So we're waiting for confirmation of on our trade idea, right? On our weekly trading outlook, just so we can understand what is going to happen. Is price going to have a breakout to continue moving up, or we're going to have a fall to break to anticipate a possible reversal to the downside because we're waiting for confirmation. We just don't know what might happen next. Are we going to get a violation of that intraday zone or that key level to continue moving up? Or is price going to have a fall to break off that key level and move to the downside? That's all we're going to be looking for. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, we should add to the third pair, which is USD CAD. So USD CAD. So guys, USD CAD, you can clearly see that obviously price has been holding this key level for some time. And we even took some buys on Tuesday and TP hit on Wednesday, right? So you can tell that okay, USD CAD price has created this key level, same as gold and NAS, right? So from creating this key level, we had this breakout and this break back below, right? So for the coming week, just to keep some things simple and just legit with you guys, if price pushes to the downside, we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna have a fall to break of our key level to move to the upside, or are we gonna have a violation to continue moving to the downside? Because we're waiting for confirmation. The other thing, are we going to have a violation to the upside, violating this intraday key level, or are we going to have a fall to break of this key level, anticipating moves to the downside? We're simply waiting for confirmation. We're just using anticipations and making plans into what might happen based on what we're looking at or what prices printed out to end the week. Are we going to have a reaction of our support, or are we going to have a violation? That's what we're waiting for. Or are we going to have a violation of our key level, of our intraday key level, or are we going to have a price respecting that key level? That's all we're waiting for. Do you guys get that? So we move. Um, Tesla. So Tesla, guys, this very same high, this very same lower high, this lower high. This lower high is the reason why price has created this low, right? This lower high is the reason why price has created this low, and this low is the reason why intraday price has pushed to the upside and traded above our wood and traded above our support, right? So from trading above our major support, right? All we're gonna now be looking for the coming week is to see that from the high that price is printed out, are we gonna have a violation of that high, or is price gonna have a fail to break off that violation to move to the downside? Because there'll be two things that we might be looking for at the moment. Because now prices had a reaction. The prices printed out a high and prices printed out a low. And from printing out a low, prices pushed to the upside, creating what and violating that support and trading above that support. So just to keep things simple with you guys, if price gives us a violation of that high, we'll simply continue up. But if we get a fail to break, then we simply wait and see what is going to happen, right? Because we're also above our support. We might also get more momentum of our support to continue moving up. Do you guys get that? Last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I simply don't have a trade idea. Why? Why don't I have a trade idea? Because same as the previous week, we spoke about what price creating lows and violating lows, price creating lows and violating lows. Same thing, price has created a low. Right now, we're gonna wait and see that is price gonna violate this low to create a new low, or from based on this intraday zone that price has printed out, are we gonna violate this highs and anticipate that would reversal to the upside? That's what I'm trying to say with you guys, but there's no trade idea. Do you guys get that? So this will be our trading outlook for the coming week. This will be what we'll be looking for, what we're anticipating, what we'll be willing to put our money to work on, right? New month, new week, new blessings, new rewards, and bigger and just greater discipline. I hope you guys keep up with the consistency, and I hope you guys capitalize on this last 5 months of 2024. I want to see you guys on top, like I already am on top. But without further ado, guys, that's your boy Harlem King COT, and we're signing out.